Welcome to Best Sellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products and making informed purchases. Today, we have an exciting countdown for you, the best-selling needle cases on Amazon. Whether you're an avid sewer, a crafting enthusiast, or just someone looking to keep your needles organized, we've got you covered. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the finest needle cases available on Amazon. Introducing our number 5 pick, the Teamoy Crochet Hook Case, an organizer zipper bag in a stunning blue-violet. This isn't just any crochet case, it's your ultimate companion for all your knitting adventures. With its large capacity, it effortlessly accommodates ergonomic crochet hooks, aluminum and bamboo varieties, ensuring you have all your tools at your fingertips. Imagine the relief of having everything compact and organized. 3 mesh pouches keep your accessories, stitch markers, tape, yarn labels, scissors, and even your knitting gauge, secure and easily accessible. The smart design features a top flap and bottom slots, preventing your precious hooks from slipping out, maintaining order and peace of mind. But what about quality? The Teamoy Crochet Hook Case excels with its premium nylon material. Inside, the well-padded semi-flexible cushion provides excellent protection, safeguarding your tools from any potential damage. It's built to last, just like your passion for crafting. Ease of carrying? Absolutely. Its box design ensures it won't take up too much space in your backpack or purse. Whether you're traveling, at the airport, relaxing in a park, or even just at home or work, this case is perfect for crocheting on the go. Compact, durable, and beautifully designed, the Teamoy Crochet Hook Case is a must-have for every crochet enthusiast. At number 4 in our top 5 countdown, we present the new Crochet Hook Case, an innovative zipper storage organizer bag. Lightweight and easy to hold, this case is a game changer for every crochet enthusiast. Let's dive into the large capacity this case offers. The main storage space boasts an insert plate with 11 large elastic bands and 10 small elastic slots, providing ample room for most crochet hooks on the market. Whether it's thick-handled ergonomic crochet hooks, interchangeable circular knitting needles, aluminum or bamboo handle crochet hooks, steel crochet hook sets, or aluminum knitting needles, this case has you covered. The latest design features a double layer for storing even more tools. With well-made padded semi-flexible covers, it offers excellent protection and storage for your various accessories. It's not just a case, it's a fortress for your crochet tools, keeping everything in pristine condition. High quality? Absolutely. Made from heavy-duty, durable, and easy-to-clean Oxford material, this case is soft yet robust. The neat, sturdy zipper closure ensures your items stay secure, and the case can open up all the way flat, giving you easy access to everything inside. Imagine having everything you need in one place. This all-in-one crochet kit is well organized, with mesh pockets for your knitting accessories, scissors, stitch markers, tape, and more. A thoughtful flap prevents hooks from falling, so you don't have to worry about what kind of crochet tools to carry. And when it comes to portability, this bag design shines. It won't take up much space and easily fits into your backpack or purse. Perfect for travel or crocheting everywhere, whether you're at the airport, a park, home, or work. Stay organized, never lose anything again, and have the tools to tackle any project with ease. The new Crochet Hook Case is the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience. Presenting number 3 in our top 5 best-selling needle cases on Amazon, the Teamoy Knitting Needles Holder Case in the enchanting blue flowers design. This isn't just a holder, it's a knitting organizer's dream come true. High capacity? Absolutely. With 27 slots of varying depths and widths, this case is designed to keep your straight knitting needles, up to 14 inches, circular knitting needles, crochet hooks, and accessories all neatly organized. Imagine never losing a needle again. Everything has its place, ensuring easy access whenever you need it. The unique design of the Teamoy case is a standout. Zipper pockets keep your bits and pieces secure, while the top flap prevents needles from falling and offers excellent protection for the tips. No more worries about damage or disarray. This case ensures your tools are always safe and sound. Fold-away convenience makes this case a must-have. It can be rolled up or folded into different sizes according to your needs, Its lightweight design fits perfectly into your knitting bag or craft bag, making it effortless to carry. Whether you're traveling or knitting on the go, this case adapts to your lifestyle. And let's not forget, this case is made of high-quality material. It's sturdy, durable, and simply adorable. It's the perfect gift for knitting enthusiasts, crochet beginners, avid knitters, needleworkers, and crafters alike. So, if you're looking to keep your knitting essentials in perfect order while adding a touch of floral elegance to your toolkit, the Teamoy Knitting Needles Holder Case is the ultimate choice. Stay organized, stay stylish, and keep your creativity flowing. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling needle cases on Amazon? Well, don't let this thread unravel. Stitch in a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a loop. At number 2 in our top 5 best-selling needle cases on Amazon, we have the exceptional Teamoy Organizer Case for interchangeable circular knitting needles and crochet hooks in a vibrant purple. This case isn't just an organizer, it's your knitting sanctuary on the go. Lightweight and compact, this crochet hooks case is designed to keep your entire set neatly in place. Crafted from high-quality nylon material, it promises durability while being extremely lightweight. Imagine having all your tools perfectly organized without any added bulk. Protection is paramount with the Teamoy Organizer Case. The padded interior layer offers superior protection for your needles and hooks, ensuring they stay safe no matter where your crafting journey takes you. A thoughtful slot on the bottom prevents needles from falling out when you open the case, eliminating the worry of losing or breaking your precious equipment. This case is versatile, accommodating various brands and types of crochet hooks. The first compartment is designed to hold different sizes of interchangeable knitting needles, aluminum crochet hooks, ergonomic hooks, stainless steel needles, rubber handles, and more. It's a one-stop solution for all your knitting tools. In the second room, you'll find elastic bands specially designed for hollow cables and 2 mesh pockets for your knitting supplies. This means every accessory, every tool, has its dedicated spot, making organization effortless and access swift. Despite its compact nature, the Teamoy Organizer Case boasts a large capacity. It's spacious enough to store 2 to 3 sets of knitting needles, making it ideal for both personal use and as a thoughtful gift for fellow knitting enthusiasts. Professional recommendations strongly favor this case for its blend of functionality and style. For those who value organization, protection, and portability, the Teamoy Organizer Case is the perfect companion. Keep all your knitting essentials in place and carry them with ease. At the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling needle cases on Amazon, we proudly present the MYBAGZING Crochet Hook Case. This standout organizer isn't just about holding your tools, it's about revolutionizing the way you knit and crochet. Let's talk innovation. The MYBAGZING Crochet Hook Case features an upgraded, stand-up design that's truly one of a kind. With 26 slots of varying widths, it comfortably holds crochet hooks up to 7 inches, from 7 mm to 15 mm. Picture this, a case that stands on its own, giving you effortless access to your tools while you work. All in one place, no more scrambling for your supplies. Multiple compartments keep your knitting needles and crochet essentials impeccably organized. Compact yet spacious, this case fits perfectly in a cabinet or drawer, ensuring your tools are always within reach. Crafted from premium fabric, this case isn't just durable, it's built to last. The sturdy, scratch-resistant material offers unparalleled protection for your knitting needles and crochet hooks. A well-made, handy organizer that stands up to the demands of your crafting adventures. The MYBAGZING Crochet Hook Case also boasts multiple pockets for all your accessories. 3 zipper pockets store your stitch markers, knitting supplies, and more. Transparent and mesh pockets make it a breeze to find exactly what you need at a glance. Efficiency meets convenience in this thoughtfully designed case. And for those seeking the perfect gift, look no further. This crochet hook case is a wonderful gift for knitting enthusiasts, crochet beginners, avid knitters, needleworkers, and crafters. Ideal for Christmas, birthdays, New Year, or Mother's Day, it's a gift that keeps on giving. The MYBAGZING Crochet Hook Case is more than just storage. It's a game changer. With its innovative design, premium quality, and unmatched functionality, it's the ultimate choice for organizing your knitting and crochet supplies. Elevate your crafting experience with the best of the best. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling needle cases on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.